They stay in the trick bag. We just don't, we don't trip them. Like they think they reinvented some new shit that was already created by us. That's the crazy part.
Hey,
So
You
who
know
you
what I'm saying?
listening?
You
That
go into
nigga
the
from
clubs.
London.
You go into the clubs. The
uh,
owners of the clubs is niggas that we helped get in position to buy the club many moons ago. So it's like we know where you at, where you moving. We know who you fucking with. It's just we don't. And I told them, y'all young niggas, man, is like y'all not disciplined enough to play that game with us.
Who you
We
consider
play it
young?
different.
What age you
that's
consider
a
young
grown
though?
ass comment. Thank
That
you
nigga,
for
that
No,
nigga
comment.
from London.
mentally. Like, look, listen. I don't even go off age. I go off your mindset.
Okay,
Yes,
Maturity.
Cause
sir.
it's some 40-year-old, 15-year-olds for
you
real.
right.
Yes,
Then it's
sir.
some 20, then it's some 40-year-old, 25-year-olds.
Yes,
So
sir.
the mindset is how you move and how you carry yourself. And if you think, for one minute that niggas forgot how to do what they've been doing all their life, then you crazy the motherfucker.
You got it.
My
I
nigga,
know
All
when you
right, y'all,
come
hold
up
on. Let me
as
reset the
Yo,
room
can
real
I ask a
quick.
No,
question?
no,
Real
Domo,
quick.
Domo,
Let me
Domo.
reset.
Buddha Vinci is crazy. Sent me a bunch of New York rappers information. And probably about a week or two ago. And what was crazy when I was pulling they shit up, niggas had crazy numbers. It's some New York rappers that got some crazy numbers. So I haven't really like got into their music. I just seen names and numbers. It is some. It's a lot of New York artists out there moving that got a organic growth for real. So I couldn't tell you who because I haven't got off into it like that. But it's definitely some New York rappers that got some strong followers. It's underground, so I can definitely see it happening. I don't know why New York hasn't supported them and grabbed them all the buildings in New York.
Right.
I
Yeah,
don't know. It could be them though.
Hey,
It
and to
could be them.
this to the New York people, who y'all think gonna make it out first? Like
I'm not
with the
from New
new.
York, but I would tell you Sleepy Hollow is gonna, Sleepy Hollow is out of there.
That
I
was
would
one of
say
the
Bobby
names.
Schmurd is the
Leaky
that
G
one little
Bando.
homie on GS9. What's his
Ferry Luciano, something like that.
Yeah, Luciano.
Y'all checked out K Flop?
Yeah, I checked out Careful Fire. He fire.
Yo,
What's
Nah,
that
Wack.
nigga
Leaky
name?
G
I ain't
Bando
gonna
is a very
lie, I'm
good
fucking with
rapper.
that nigga Dusty Locane too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wack,
fact.
let me ask you this: Who you listening to? You
Dusty
heard
Dusty try to be pop too much.
you
Nah,
heard that
nah,
new
nah.
Nordo, like Who Wants Smoke with 21 and all them? What you think? Like, who you listen?
Hold on, let me pull them up.
And then I
Yeah,
got a question for
Down.
that new
after that.
that new Nordo goes hard, man.
That who on smoke? Yeah.
Who Wants
Hey,
Wack, I
Smoke?
actually got a question for you. I'm six
Yeah.
nine. Well, it's a line. I can't
He
make out what it is.
he
Okay,
put
so
out
I
a
want to
what?
see. He basically did 6ix9ine in a song, but I can't make out what is he talking about.
What shit
So
was
I
beef?
want
I
to
Nah,
don't
read it
think it was.
off.
what'd he
Damo,
say?
Hang
I
on,
don't
let
Nah,
think
me
it
he
was
read
a
said
it
like,
off.
diss.
Yo,
Let
Wack,
me
don't
talk. Let me
It
forget
was
talk.
like
about
one.
my.
One mic. Let me read it off, and
I just
I'm gonna see what you think. So basically, he said, I was locked up inside the trap. Didn't think about it, but I got out. And my cars and clothes exotic. Ain't 6ix9ine, but two hoes with me right now. You can call me Shoddy.
I don't know
What
what
is he
that
talking
means,
about?
but
no, he just
I don't.
rapping. He just rapping.
He just rapping.
He just rapping all the way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you
main
go
girl.
to
I
the
didn't hear
back,
him
You're
say
thinking
nothing
too much into
disrespectful.
that.
No, but y'all know like
But what did he
Shoddy
say
is what six
disrespectful
No,
though?
because Shoddy is 6ix9ine right hand man. So it's like, what is he trying to like
Not
say?
anymore.
no, he just trying to put bars together.
He
That's what he
putting
doing.
bars.
Facts.
He said,
Yeah,
because remember 6ix9ine flashing them cars and his money. He
yeah.
said, I ain't something, but don't call me shoddy, right? So now I don't know. Two hoes. Is he saying that I ain't gonna fuck you, bro, like shoddy did? I don't know. Not like a shot at shoddy. I don't hear him taking a shot at 6ix9ine.
Right.
It's a rap
Yeah,
bar. Move
yeah.
on.
I don't think it
Wack,
was a diss to be honest.
let me know
Yeah.
about that
Nah,
Nordo.
it
What
means something. We'll have to ask him though.
But hold
It
Hey,
on,
means
Wack.
something.
I got a question.
Nah, because you know one thing
Oh,
about Thug, he don't give a fuck. He gonna say it.
Fuck.
Nah,
Right.
See,
that's a
Thug
fact.
gonna
That's a
nigga.
fact.
Yeah, he gonna tell you fuck you if it's fuck you. So he ain't gonna do no sneak diss. And I think, like you said, he was putting together bars. You
Wack. I
know.
need your
exactly? It's a
opinion on
rap
something.
bar.
Wack. I need your opinion on something, right? I know you know about Troll Nation, and me. Troll Nation was having a conversation yesterday about was it what buddy from Dipset, that old dude, whatever his name
Jim
is,
Jones.
Set the
how
room.